Assalamualaikum and good morning to fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Ilyas bin Muhammad Effendi and my friends.
My name is Muhammad Ifan bin Jamin and my name is Muhammad Amri bin Abdul Rahim.
Today we want to show you how to use the surface grinding machine. The first thing, we should need a safety boot. Ta-da! Jacket
And Google.
Yeah.
Okay, first we need to reset the emergency stop button. Then we need to turn on the hydraulic button. Then switch on the vacuum button. Then we need to switch on the wheel button and coolant button. Now let me show you how to touching this piece. This DFO, okay? Now we need to touch first. Now, this is what we have. Our workpiece. Grinding machine.
kilat macam cermin.